BabyBus.
Oh. Ouch!
Huh? It's Danny! Morning, Danny!
Morning.
Are you all right? It looks like you have a fever. Go home and get some rest. Or it will get worse.
Okay, I'll go home now. Oh, no. I'm not going home until I clean up this mess. Come on, I can do it!
Cleaning up the trash. No, 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 no. The garbage truck has a hard-working garbage truck is sick. A hard-working garbage truck is sick.
Come on, I can do it!
Cleaning up the trash. No, 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 no. The garbage truck has troubles. A hard-working garbage truck at the dump. A hard-working garbage truck at the dump.
Come on, I can do it!
Cleaning up the trash. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. The garbage truck needs it. Oh no, oh no. It's Danny. Let's take him to the repair shop now. Huh?
Your engine broke down, Danny. You need a new one.
Huh? It broke down?
You've been working so hard. That's why your engine overheated and broke down.
Oh, that's why.
Let's get started. Danny, your new engine is all in place.
I'm feeling much better now. Thanks, everyone.
Danny, remember to get some rest.
Why am I here again? Help! I'm not trash! Don't take me to the dump!
Wow! It's a big toy town. The car's moving so fast. Look at the train. It's going through a tunnel.
But why are there only 2 cars here?
Let's open the surprise eggs and get some more cars. Five little surprise eggs, spinning round and round. Let's open the red egg. Guess what it is?
car.
Four little surprise eggs, spinning round and round. Let's open the yellow egg. Guess what it is? A fire truck. Three little surprise eggs, spinning round and round. Let's open the blue egg. Guess what it is?
An ambulance.
Two little surprise eggs, spinning round and round. Let's open the green egg. Guess what it is? An excavator. One little surprise egg, spinning round and round. Let's open the purple egg. Guess what it is?
A bus. Wow, all of the cars are moving. It's so much fun.